And this how we gonna do it. Dale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Hello world, today I am present how to play Confog and the funny professional step. Okay, the first I teach you register. You can create a nickname and you can key nickname, passwords, retype passwords, email, birthday, and you click submit. And then you can key your information again, the gender, location you are seeking, and you click submit. And then when you click submit is the show registration was successful. You click OK. Okay, and then next I will teach you how to play and chat. This image is the main menu. You can key the nickname, password, and click sign on. And then you can see the home menu. Home menu is the show everything about Confog. Okay, next step. One button is a IM button is a mean instant message in the MSN, and two button is a join chat. You can click join chat button is for the your favorite room, and you click select. And then three button is a add button. When you click add button, you can see, yes, you can see this image. You can key your contact and click OK. You can see your friends. Okay, next step is you can see fourth button is a setting button. You can setting everything in Confog. And the next is the file. You can see the task menu. And the seat, you can see your name, your status, online, away, busy. And next step 7 is you can see your contact. And next step, and the 8, you can see your favorite room. Okay, and next step, when you click the join button chat, you can see the room list. Up to you, you can click to join room you are interested. When you click, you can see yes button. You click yes button is you can see main bot chat, and the right hand side you can see the many user, and the left hand side you can see the many words when user join chat. And then the right hand side you can see many users. And when you want to see camera user, you can click on the username, and then you can see username camera. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, wow, you can see the beautiful girl, and you can see many handsome boy, many pretty girl, and a pretty boy. Okay, this part is the funny, and the next part is the funny more than this part. Okay, go 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 go.
เอาไปเลยเอาไปเอาไปเอาไปได้เลยเอาไปเลยเอาไปใจเราเอาไปได้เลย
Okay, the next step I can teach you Cam Fog Bowl. The Cam Fog Bowl is the more fun than ever. Okay, you can kick health either select activate Cam Fog Bowl. Okay, the next step you can see this image is show. You can key your code. Your code is the code 100 mailer code and you click OK. And then you can see the Cam Fog Pro video chat is successful and you click OK. When you key incorrect your code is the this image it show this image. Okay, you can try again. You can key your code is the correct and zoom successful. Okay, property Cam Fog Pro series. The one is ID is the you can register Infinity ID and you can play Infinity ID. Okay, and next you can play the interzone. Okay, and next step, next property is the you can see the interzone and the 18 plus zone, and you can see many room list. Example, Thai lady show girl. Okay, and next property is the you can find your friend. Is you can kick locate user, and you can key your name friend and click OK. You can see where room list is your friend join chat. Okay, and next is the transparent window. Transparent window is the special property, and example you can see transparent window. You can see dot the transparent window, and you can see your desktop. Okay, and then okay, next property is the you can save history when you join chat. Okay, the most property Cam Fog people like is a dun, 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 dun. One smiler property. Yes, this picture is show 100 mailer contact. Is a show many pretty girl, many pretty boy, and many handsome boy. You can chat with every person, every contact which you want. This is the perfect property. Okay, today in my teach, I hope you will funny and enjoy with Cam Fog video chat. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.
You